So let's talk about how you can maximize your marketing efforts with automation. So this is the traditional method of marketing. It's been the gold standard for many, many years, and that's landing page funnels. So let's say someone wants to download, they want to join your thing, your masterclass, or they want to book a time to speak with you. They're going to come to your landing page where they'll enter their name, their email, their phone number, whatever information you're getting from them to go to the next stage or the next level in the process. Once they enter their information in, then they'll get the guide or whatever the freebie is. The person has to navigate to their email, check their email. Maybe they check their email later. Maybe they'll check their email tomorrow to get that freebie. Because at the time they saw your landing page, they were probably on social media. They navigated away from the page. They don't feel like checking their email right now. And so they're eager to get back to what they were doing before they saw your landing page and your freebie, right? With that said, for every 100 people that you manage to get to your landing page, only 23 people will probably exchange their information for your freebie. And that's because they're not disrupted. They've been disrupted just the fact that they put the name, email, and phone number. But other than that, landing page funnels are not simple to get people to opt in because they have to navigate away from what they're doing. You're not disrupting them in any way. The other thing is when you do send them the link to access the freebie, you have to hope it didn't land in spam. And you have to hope that when they make it over to their inbox, that they didn't see another email that they ended up opening and getting engaging with that email and responding to something else, and they forget all about the fact that they requested your freebie. So I want to share with you a new way to automate your six-figure coaching client acquisition system. And that new way is chat automation. And the way chat automation works typically for every 100 people you get to go to the site, 92 people are going to exchange their information. Now, why is that? Why is it that 92 people are willing to give you their name, email, and phone number? And I always say chat automation creates more customers than landing page funnels. Here's why. Chat automation is more effective because people can experience your valuable resource faster. So if I have to leave what I'm doing, which probably is scrolling on social media, doing nothing, scrolling on social media, and then I have to leave to go enter my information in a landing page at another website. And then after that, you're sending a link to me, and I got to wait 5 to 10 minutes to get the link to access the freebie. And then I have to I have to wait for the email to come and then go back to my email inbox if I remember it later on to get your thing. With chat automation, they get it right in the same chat. It disrupts what they're currently doing. So if they're currently scrolling, it's going to disrupt them, and it's going to disrupt them right with the same device that they're holding. And so you're going to reach people using the same device that they found that they just chose to opt in for your thing, right? And there's no need to navigate to another page, and you get to send them to the next step seamlessly without them having to go to check their email and go through their inbox and find what it is you sent, because you're not the only one sending them an email. They have other emails. They may have emails from their job. Maybe they have emails about their kids. Maybe people have other stuff going on. So they may